today, social media, we have a whole heap of followers. Well, if we see them on the road, we can't even say hi to them. We don't have real relationships anymore. So it's not that they're not willing to go to their male friends. Sometimes they don't have. So I'm saying, one, seek out good male friends. Two, sometimes you have some people who try to get into your circle. They're good people and you have to have your energy to take them. Now I'm gonna work off of energy tech. You get me? I'm match you up in terms of your character, and then I decide whether or not I'm gonna let you into my circle. And I think today too many men are living their lives around screens and work, go home, they're not forming any
real bonds, real relationships.
Yeah.
That was Courtney Francis, and he's joining us for this morning's Manversations, the spirited and opinionated fitness trainer and social commentator who's weighing in on our topic. What do men want from a potential partner? And well, let's start right there, Courtney. In your experience, you talk to your brethren, you might come across some other information otherwise. What are we looking for? What are men saying that they're looking for in a potential partner?
All right, so actually did a little poll, and the top 3 things is respect, submission, loyalty. You know, a few honorable mentions would be peace. Some of the men them put peace 2 times. So them put peace, respect.
And spell it the same way.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, and peace. Again, so it's very important. And then, you know, companionship. You know. Yeah, like I think things like the sex goes without.
Yeah, the intimacy.
Yeah.
Submission.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. I don't know about submission. I understand what they mean, but with me.
And right now there are women screaming at their televisions.
No, it's very simple with me. No, it's very simple with me. You know, if I can't trust you, I can't be around you.
That is it.
Argument done with me. I can't trust you, I can't be around you. I can accept other things. You're not going to be perfect, I accept all of that. You might be a little louder than I think you should be, or a little bit more quiet than I think you should be, but if I can't trust you, that's it for me.
It doesn't make any sense.
No, that's it for me. So that's the only one me that I deal with.
No, for real. Yeah, and that's the only other thing I'd say.
Yeah.
Respect and trust. All right, we've got a bowl here with some questions. And I'm going to invite us all to pick one and just read the question. Start with you, Neville.
Would you rather be with someone who values clear communication or someone who always makes you feel understood? Would you rather be with someone who values clear communication or someone who always makes you feel understood? They're not the same thing, kinda. Someone who values clear communication, you need clear communication. So
most definitely.
Yeah, definitely, because you don't want to little mix up and you weren't too certain what you did mean when you say it, and you do something and that's not what I did mean. So no, you certainly I would value clear communication.
Courtney?
Would you rather be with someone who seeks stability and growth or someone who is always up for new adventures and excitement? Definitely stability and growth.
I like the 2 of them still.
But if I have to choose one, it is definitely stability and growth. I think that there is more meaning there rather than somebody who just say, I could go Dubai, Australia. We just flexing and having fun. I want something where we are in a...
I can't live with that, but I can live with both of them still.
yeah, both are nice, but the stability is, I think, more important. As a point out, you can get to do more things. Would you rather be with someone who respects your need for personal space or someone who always makes you feel like a priority?
2 of them.
I don't know how different these are, though.
The 2 of them.
Both are great.
2 of them.
Both are absolutely great because everybody needs some me time. That's really just it, you know?
Choose one.
Choose one. Somebody who makes me feel like a priority. That's for real.
Me again?
No more, no left? Oh, I hate that.
Tempting. Would you rather have a partner who shares your common interests or one who always steps up for you in times of need? Again, you're not giving us things that me like the 2 of them again.
Right.
I want them to share. I would want a partner who share common interests, and I will also want someone who step up for me in times of need.
But that's if you choose one.
Steps up for me in time.
Yeah, for me, that
steps up for me in times of need. That's what I would want.
Me and her don't need to watch a football game.
Which is true. Which is true. Because that goal scorer should have said, why that?
No, my wife used to cheer against my side. Like on purpose. And the team
Get it right.
She just love antagonize me till eventually she come over to my side of the fence. Producers put up in our ears a while ago. Repeat the question. What was that one? Oh, is it difficult to find a potential partner in this age? Courtney, what's this? What are the streets saying?
Well, it's definitely harder for the women. I did a
Yeah. You feel so?
Yeah, I did a seminar by the UWI, University of the West Indies, over by Chancellor Hall. And I was shocked when they told me that their ratio was 14 women to 1 man.
And does that reach now?
Yeah, so I guess the men have a little bit more wiggle room in terms of how they navigate the dating market. But if you have for every...
But what the quality versus quantity? Because you have 14 to 1, but you still
but it's easier to find the quality amongst the quantity. when it's 14 women vying for the attention of 1 man, it is a lot harder.
I'm going to break down that ratio for you off air.
No, we can break it down. I think it's going to skew the other way. It's still going to drift.
Yeah.
Because you have some man who don't want to, man.
I think it's equally difficult for either gender to find a potential partner. I'll tell you why. Because on the one hand, there are some undesirable characteristics that straddle both genders.
Most definitely.
It's really difficult.
Yeah.
We live in an age where there seems to be this massive shift towards materialism, right? And also for making things transactional. So you provide material and you get a certain degree of, or you feel entitled to a certain degree of personal comforts.
Yes. You know
what I mean?
We see a lot of it, especially on social media. You have women telling other women that, look, if he's not paying all the bills, he's a roommate.
Right.
Do what you want.
Right.
But I think social media is doing a lot of damage because it makes it seem like a young man just coming out of college should be able to foot your rent, your utilities, and maintain a woman's life at the age of 25, 26, when that's not the reality.
On a social media, there's an absence of critical thinking. Yeah. But hey, let's...
I don't know if you hear what the man said, that if you're not paying the rent, you're a roommate.
Yo.
That's what I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Because I believe that if you're dating, if you're just dating, I don't think a woman's rent is your responsibility. It's different when you're married and you're under the same roof as a man.
Or in a stable, long-term relationship.
Under the same roof.
Yeah. Not necessarily married is what I'm saying.
Because what a lot of us do is we keep putting our resources outside the household. How we grow.
Yeah.
If I am, imagine, I work here, so Suzette work 1 cubicle away from me, and me I take up Suzette bill for my head. Right. If you work 1 cubicle away from me, it means that we have the same money.
More or less. Yeah.
Yes. Now, I am paying Suzette's bill. Suzette's getting her pay. She's not paying no bills. She's growing. And then she said, it's time for us to buy the house. How much you have? And I say, well, maybe not pay your bills, so I'm not to have nothing. Yeah. You know, Suzette I go look for me and say, you're not progressive.
Right, you're not ready yet.
No, you're not ready.
By the way, you're not married to Suzette, right?
No.
Morning, Suzette. We just want to say morning to Pamela.
Marie.
All right, folks, that's it for Manversations. It just says Manversations this week with friend, social commentator, fitness trainer, Courtney Francis. Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Hi, Tammy. making her Smile Band Wednesday stage once again. Here's Empress Adela and the Revelation Band.
I just want you to rock with me this morning. I feel the touch of a fan so warm and tender that leaded me in the path that I must walk. I have no fear, for Jesus walked beside me. For I am sheltered in the arms of God. So let the storm which the dark clouds rise today won't worry me. For I am sheltered, safe within the arms of God. He walks with me, and none on earth can harm me. For I am sheltered in the arms of God. So I shall hear a voice from heaven for song. What did he say? Come on, my child. It's the last of you and you have joy. I fall asleep